Bali is one of the most frequented destinations across the globe. The best part is you can explore the beaches, mountains, lush greenery, and the most happening cities just within a span of minutes. Bali is packed with culture, adventure, and is the ultimate destination for those looking to live the slow life all at a super affordable price. So here's a bit of a backstory. This is my fourth time in Bali, and I so wanted to explore Bali's unique culture a bit deeper and take it slow this time without rushing through any of the places. I stayed in two incredible villas in Seminyak and Ubud. So in this video, I'll share the perfect Bali itinerary for some unique experiences to the best place to stay at. So let's dive right into it. From Mumbai to Bali, I took a Malaysia Airlines with a halt in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so I have touched down Kuala Lumpur, which is my transit airport. तो अगर आप इंडिया से बाली जा रहे हो, unfortunately there are no direct flights yet. तो या तो आपका सिंगापुर में मोस्टली हॉल्ट होता है या कोलालमपुर में होता है. तो मेरा इस बार कोलालमपुर हॉल्ट है. And the best thing is, guys, I've said this before, but I'm saying it again. If you don't have one, please get yourself priority pass. इस पास से आपको दुनिया की किसी भी एयरपोर्ट में लाउंज एंट्री मिल जाएगी. एंड ऑब्वियसली इफ़ यू हैव लॉन्ग लेओवर्स लाइक आई हैव टुडे, मेरा 4 घंटे का लेओवर है, तो व्हाट वुड यू कीप डूइंग एट द एयरपोर्ट, राइट? एक टाइम के बाद आप थक जाओगे. यू वुड वांट टू सिट, चिल समवेयर, ईट, ड्रिंक, एंड यू कैन डू दैट एट द लाउंज. सो मैं आके बैठी हूँ. मैंने बस जस्ट कुछ खाने को लाया है. एंड दे गिव यू फ्री वाईफाई, ऑफ कोर्स, unlimited free food and drinks and all of that, and then you can just sit and chill here for a while until you have to board your flight. So that's the best thing. So that's what I'm going to do for the next 4 hours. Sit here at the airport at the lounge and then head for my second flight from Kuala Lumpur to Indonesia. Immigration at Bali is a total breeze. It's visa on arrival and you can scan the barcode here to get your visa yourself without having to wait in any line. You can grab SIM cards from the airport. Both eSIM and physical SIM are available to buy. I booked a Grab cab as soon as we exited and waited in the Grab lounge, and soon our car was there to take us to our stay, the Aksari Villa in Seminyak. Alright, so I finally checked into my villa in Seminyak. Seminyak is the first place जहाँ पे मैं बाली में रहने वाली हूँ. And Seminyak एयरपोर्ट से कुछ 30 ही मिनट पे दूर है. तो it's pretty good. अगर आप एयरपोर्ट से फर्स्ट डेज, फर्स्ट डे या फर्स्ट 2 days पे कहीं रहना चाहते हो, then Kuta और Seminyak are a good option because they're pretty close to the airport. और इस बार मैं सेमिनियाक में रह रही हूँ एक विला में, एंड दिस विला इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. इट्स कॉल्ड एज द अक्सारी विला एंड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल. अब तक मैं सेमिनियाक में जितनी भी बार रही हूँ, आई हैव स्टेड इन अ होटल, एंड एक बार तो मैं बहुत ही कॉर्पोरेट होटल में रही थी. तो आई हैव नेवर स्टेड इन अ विला इन सेमिनियाक एरिया. So this is very beautiful. As you can see, मैं already villa में बैठी हुई हूँ. We just checked in like I showed you. And अभी मैं आपको quickly ये villa दिखाती हूँ अंदर से. What does this villa look like? It's a small cozy space, very beautiful from the inside. Let me just take you around. Good morning from day one in Bali, Seminyak. यहाँ पे अक्सारी विला में इन्होंने एक फ्लोटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी कर रखा है right here in my private pool, and of course there's a beautiful flower bath as well. So I'm going to make the most of my morning over here. I'm just going to spend the morning relaxing at Aksari Villa only. I'm going to have a hearty breakfast. I'm going to chill in the flower bath. And that's about it. उसके बाद आज हम निकलेंगे बाहर and we're going to be exploring some places in Seminyak. लेकिन for now, I'm just going to be chilling and having some breakfast. Alright, so after spending a nice, slow, relaxing morning here at the villa itself, मैं जा रही हूँ अभी सेमिनियाक फ्ली मार्केट में बिकॉज आई एम इन सेमिनियाक और यहाँ पे एक फ्ली मार्केट लगता है हर रोज़ 6 PM तक ही रहता है. तो आई वांट टू मेक यूज़ ऑफ दैट ड्यूरिंग द डे. आई वांट टू गो. वहाँ पे कुछ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें मिलती है तो लेट मी गो. मैं पहले सेमिनियाक फ्ली मार्केट बाय द वे गई नहीं हूँ कभी, सो आई एम ऑल्सो लिटिल एक्साइटेड टू गो एंड सी कि वहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली क्या मिलता है. सो लेट्स गो. So we had a bike waiting at our villa for us to take us around, and the first location for the day is the Seminyak Flea Market, which I'm visiting for the first time as well. Located in the heart of Seminyak, this bustling market is a treasure trove of local crafts, clothing, accessories, and artwork. You can browse through rows of stalls selling everything from intricate wood carvings and batik textiles to handmade jewelry and even leather goods. The market is a great place to immerse yourself in the local culture and support independent artisans. After the market, I went to the Seminyak main market area to grab a quick coffee. A definite talk and travel recommendation would be the Library Cafe, which not just has an aesthetic vibe but also serves up some amazing coffee. Alright, तो उस कैफे से मैं निकल गई हूँ और अभी मैं जा रही हूँ लंच के लिए. आई हैव अ लंच रिजर्व्ड एट अ रेस्टोरेंट हियर एंड आई विल टेल यू मोर अबाउट द रेस्टोरेंट वंस वी गेट देयर. अभी यहाँ से निकलते हैं. Cantina Classe is an authentic Italian restaurant in the Canggu area, and if you're looking for some good food, this is the place to be. And if you love shopping and if you're looking to grab knickknacks like small jewelry or Balinese products and good quality clothes, then head to Love Anchor in Canggu. And here you will literally be spoiled for choice. I honestly felt like the prices are slightly high here, but they do bargain, and overall the quality makes up for the price. So if you've been to Bali before, you know no other place is better than the Tanah Lot to watch a sunset, and that's exactly what I wanted to do on my first day in Bali. End today by watching the sunset over the beautiful Tanah Lot temple. Here is a list of talk and travel favorite spots you can visit to shop at in Canggu and Seminyak. Take a note. Bali, no matter how many times I visit, it's just never enough. ओके, तो मैं निकल चुकी हूँ एक जगह पे जाने के लिए. यहाँ पे नाइट क्लब्स बहुत सही रहते हैं सेमिनियाक चांगू एरिया में, इन बाली इन जनरल. सो देयर इज़ अ प्लेस विच इज़ अ गुड पार्टी प्लेस. आई एम गोइंग टू गो देयर एंड चिल फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन कम बैक स्लीप, क्योंकि कल बहुत जल्दी सुबह उठना है. Bali is renowned for its vibrant nightlife that caters to a diverse range of tastes and preferences. From lively beach clubs to trendy rooftop bars, there is no shortage of options for those looking to experience the excitement of Bali after dark. One of the most popular areas for nightlife in Bali is Seminyak, where you can find a multitude of clubs, bars, and restaurants. Here is a list of Talk and Travel favorite clubs that you can visit when Insomniac take a note. Well, that was it for this episode in Bali. Don't forget to check out episode 2 where we will be heading to the most gorgeous island, Nusa Penida. See you soon.